Okay, so I think one of the things is that I've always been, you know, interested on the idea of um in the idea of how to, you know, get myself out of that interesting idea. So that is now, yeah. Welcome back to the video. What about I just trailed off there? So I'm going to be talking about how to, get the right references. Now, references that you like, I think that one of the things you can get references that you can use multiple references for your drawing. For example, the eyes of this character or whatever was from a different reference, and I think the hair was from a different reference, and also, oh, I think the body and style was actually from a different. I don't know. I think I copied it from some sort of like a movie or something. I was like looking at it and I was like, oh, you know what, this is gonna make sense. This is gonna make sense, and I just started to try that. So, and you see, references can be weird, and you don't want to be exactly copying the references. You don't want to exactly copying the references. You just want something else, and you just need to be observant, especially about the details and the shapes and the patterns and yeah, most of the things like that. You just need to be observant about them. You need to have that sense of you get the idea of what you want to do, and that's something like that. So now most people would see a reference and they would like look at it and say, you know what, I cannot. It's too much, right? Sometimes you have to pick the hardest reference possible. That's one of the things I tend to do. Pick the hardest reference possible, and picking the hardest reference possible is makes it easier for you to get what you want. And I mean, you may not really get it because try that. That's why my advice for people is try it hard. It makes it easy, right? Try it hard. It makes it easy. So, and that's how it works. So, and yeah, I think that should work very well. So, mm, I think that should work very well. So, and yeah, I think that should be it. And so I think, let me see. Of course, you know, yeah. So I think that's the way it is, and yep, we just need to work our way up. Work our way up. Give it all we can, and I mean, like I'm not really into the whole, Uh, I mean, like I believe with practice. Well, I believe with practice there are gonna be more, improvements, and you just get better and better, and it just clicks. I mean, it just clicks. It just makes a lot of sense, and I think I don't like the hair. I don't really like the hair that much in this one. I mean, like the hair was like flying at her back. I don't know. Maybe I was thinking maybe the wind blew it. I don't know. I mean, I should have auto in just for one day, just for a reminder. I was thinking that I should have just have erased one side of the hair. And I also do a lot of flipping. Like as you can see, to make your drawings look more better. You can be flipping the image from side to side. This actually gives you a correct version of what you want to see. And I'd also say drawing eyes perfectly is also very important. I mean, there's anything that people tend to look at the most is the eyes. So I think you might focus on the eyes of a character a lot. Sometimes you see that's one cool trick of making a character look cool. Sometimes you might say I want everything to look. Of course, you can make everything look good, but sometimes there's this like cool trick about the eyes. I mean, making eyes look cool tend to make the character pop. Even I don't care if it's anime, cartoon, or anything, but as long as the eyes pop, the rest of the image doesn't really matter for some reason. Eyes and nose, mostly. And this actually kind of like really like changed the perspective of it. And this thought and this thought just reached my mind. I mean, seriously, this thought just reached my mind and I just. Oh wow, I just thought about that. Anyway, so I guess I mean thank you for watching this video. I mean like I really appreciate it. If it makes a lot of sense to you and I think I appreciate your time and yeah, I mean you've made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. So, have a beautiful, lovely day. If we say that, yeah, have a beautiful, lovely day. So, and yeah, I think that's really it. That's really beautiful. So, yeah, bye. Oh, and please check out my other videos. It's Ema Showering. So, yeah, so I guess I want to say that and bye.